Okay, boys, that's check yourself. Second example. Okay, the first step is finding g prime. We have 3x squared subtract 4x plus 1. Next we equalize with 0. We get 3x squared minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. You can make a factorization. You have expression like this. You have 3x minus 1 and x minus 1 is multiplication, that's equal to 0, and from this expression we have 3x minus 1 is equal to 0, and x is equal, the first is equal to 1 over 3, and x minus 1 is equal to 0, x second is equal to 1. Okay, these two are critical points. So the second step was putting these critical points instead of f, not f prime, instead of f means this. Alright, again we have g of x is equal to x cubed minus 2x squared plus x plus 1. The first critical point is 1 over 3 and 1. Divide this into two parts. Okay, divide this here, x2 1. Now g of 1 over 3, it is equal to 1 over 3 cubed minus 2 multiplied by 1 over 3 square plus 1 over 3 and plus 1. We have 1 over 27 minus 2 over 9 plus 1 over 3 and a plus 1. Okay, common denominator is 27. This multiplied by 3, this multiplied by 9, this multiplied by 27. Common denominator is 27. Okay, 1 subtract 3 multiplied by 2 is 6, plus 9 multiplied by 1 is 9, and plus 27, and we get negative 5. Negative 5 plus 9, it is 4. 4 plus 27 is 31. You have 31 or 27 expression. This solution, g of 1, we get 1 cubed minus 2 multiplied by 1 square plus 1 and plus 1 again. Here we have 1 minus 2 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 1. Okay, the next third step was putting instead of this expression g of x cubed minus 2x squared plus x plus 1. Our interval means this negative 1 and 2. Negative 1 and 2. Okay. Let's put the repart. Okay, g of negative 1, it is equal to negative 1 cubed minus 2 multiplied by negative 1 square plus, in brackets, negative 1 and the plus 1 again. Here we have negative 1. From this expression we have 1 positive multiplied by negative 2, it will be negative 2. Okay, plus multiplied by negative 1, negative 1, and the plus 1. And this will cancel, we have negative 3 answer. Next is g of 2. It is equal to 2 cubed minus 2 multiplied by 2 squared plus 2 plus 1. It is equal to 8 minus 2 multiplied by 2 squared is 4, minus 2 is minus 8, plus 2 and plus 1, it is equal to 3. Okay, and now we can find absolute extremum, minimum and maximum meanings. We have we have answers like g of 1 over 3 is 31 over 27. Then we have g of 1 is equal to 1. Then we have g of negative 1 is equal to negative 3, and then g of 2 is equal to 3. As you see, the biggest meaning has this. It will be g maximum, means g maximum is equal to 3, and the minimum, you see, this negative 3, so g minimum will be negative